Sir Jack, nagbe-vape pa pala to? Ayop ka? Nagbe-vape ka pa pala? Boss Maki Kwan, hindi pa gising, tulog pa sila. Grabe, no? Oh, nagbe-vape pala, ang walang yan. Paano? Hindi, may negosyo siya yata ng ano kasi yung establishmento niya or yung kanyang business, no? The establishment is closed for business. Yan, isinara. Sabi kasi, totoo ba na business ito ni DDS vlogger Sir Jack? Ang totoo bang close? And totoo ba na close because may violation? Anyone from Imus na alam kung anong city ordinance yan, non-payment of taxes daw. And recent lang daw yan. Paki-confirm mga Caviteños, grabe ka na 2026.